Battle of the Birds is now available. Okay, I'm just gonna jump up there and then look through the telescope. Okay. New Deadbird Studio according to Okay, let's do it, some girl. Okay. Oh wow, this is gonna be cool, isn't it? There's a penguin. I like penguins.
This movie studio is too big for the both of us, DJ.
Oh.
Gross. The movie should be made by real birds. You moon penguins are just gonna write some loud, noisy dribble. If I wanted a bunch of picnics to dance around while on birdseed, ha! I'd visit my grandchildren.
Nonsense, darling, nonsense. You Owl Express birds are just gonna record another boring train-related western. You've done so for the last 10 years, darling.
I like the penguin.
What? No way you haven't, you buffoon!
Conductor, darling, this year will be winning the annual Bird Movie Award, as our new movie props will bring in the audiences. These shiny things fell from the sky. They will light our movie sets and fill them with glimmer.
Oh, yeah! Well, this time around, we're also spicing it up with our newest movie props. These hourglass thingies will be the grand jewel in our train heist western.
Another thing.
What the what? You no good, dirty picnics! You copied our prop!
Hey, they're mine.
I would never, darling. Clearly, you're the one who took inspiration in my flashy new props.
Okay.
Oh, that does it! Get out of here with ya! I've got a movie to record!
Fine by me, darling. But we'll be the ones who win the annual Bird Movie Award. Mark my word.
Okay. I've decided I'm not really going to worry about act order in each world, you know.
Oh, yeah? Let's see how well you do when you can't get into the reception. Oh, wait, shut my picnics inside the studio will force them to work harder.
Like, you know, just...
Alright, time to go, owls. Let's make our killer movie.
No, what I was saying was like...
And, receptionist, can you please close off that vent already? I don't want the smell of penguin to come anywhere near my crew.
So, what I'm saying right now is that what the plan is right now is like, I've decided I just want to do the story because I don't necessarily need to do them in...
Not everything I sell is of value. I also sell terrible badges, and yet people buy them anyway.
Okay, we have pen, we have this. That's interesting, but I don't even know. So, however, well, it says no entry, so I'm gonna have to enter somehow. And just to be sure I've got Ben, is this gonna work? Oh!
Cameras, lights, action!
Let's make this movie happen. Owls, in position. Action!
He didn't see me. He didn't see me. He didn't see me. Let's just fake out this. Why are you billing me so much? Jeez. I'm not gonna be paying all this. so cold it requires 8 on stitch. It's so cold that it requires that much, or is it just a cold piece of yarn? Okay, I'm just gonna go. What is this? Come back. No. Come back. Whoa! Penguin harass me. You didn't harass no penguins. You mean I got close to one? And that's harassment. A relic, no relic that might match me. The ground. Okay, I can. Okay, that's good. Penguin has to take 1,000. Okay, jump. Okay. Another.
What? Action!
Okay. Wait. Hit the level and then dash on. Get on, no! Down. Falling. Oh, put me in the next area. Okay. Keep going. Doesn't matter how many ponds I need to pay. Oh, this is power. Go. The power's gone. And then make a mad dash. Okay. I got this. Okay. Crap. Oh, bosom level. Okay, now we have some owl harassment. Great. What do we have now? I don't know. Wait, do I have these up here? Okay. Oh god! Power harassment times 2. I don't like harassing owls. I'm fine with that. Okay, turn around. Okay. Get me through. Okay, I did it.
Magnificent, stunning. This trophy is everything I desire. On the shelf in my living room. Of course, this big trophy is just a plastic replica. The actual trophy is really tiny.
Seriously?
Oh my, what is that I see? Is it true inner beauty? An innocent soul with a heart of gold? Oh no, it's just a little girl. Hello. Oh wait, you're not a penguin. That's good. I could use some non-penguin company around here, as all my penguins are frankly terrible actors. Here's the biz. I need your help. I'm on a terrible losing streak, and I just have to win this next annual Bird Movie Award.
You know, I might not be
There's
able
no
to
doubt
do
I
many
absolutely
chapters
must
soon.
have you as the star. Here, let me take care of this.
Yay, my debt's gone!
We need to give you a bird passport, darling. Step right over here. The most important part of a passport is the picture, darling. You have to look flashy and stunning. Okay, put on a smile and stand still, please. Let's see how the picture turned out. Oh, darling, you moved! We've got to fix this ugly mugshot up with some old-fashioned photo doctoring. Here, take these markers and turn yourself into the most stylish, fashionable young lady. Perfect! Let's slide this picture into your passport, and here you go.
Passport for the friendly new bird. I'm legally a bird now, I think.
Wonderful, darling. Oh, just wonderful. Meet me at the movie set tomorrow, and we'll make you a star.
Alright.
Hey, what do you think you're doing?
Oh, what do you think?
Oh, you can't just jump in and fiddle with the
Right.
annual.
We've got a 4-star over here.
Oh, where are my owl guards at? Why are the owls so darn useless? Alright, listen here, lass. You're in big trouble. If you're helping crooked DJ Grooves rig the awards, I can't take you to... That's right. You've got to be the star of my movies too. Here, hold our newest prop. Practice showing it off and bring it to my movie set tomorrow. You got that? Don't be late.
Okay. Yeah, I'm making progression. Relatively quick. It's a lot of fun. I'll tell you that, guys. It's intruder alert! Intruder alert! Oh, it's the cookie cat. Can I have a look at you a bit later? You know, because now actually, you know, now I want to continue it. Picture perfect or Murder in the Orient Express. Oh, that's filled up a little bit. So we can do actually Murder in the Orient Express. But I want to do some penguins. Oh, Act 3 Picture Perfect. I don't really mind them skipping acts, I just really want to do penguin. I want to do like all the penguin ones and then do all the big ones, I think. Probably. Yeah, I think I want to do that. Okay.
Welcome to the first day of shooting, darling. We need to transform you into the biggest movie star the bird world has ever seen. You need to become a diva.
Yeah.
That's why I've called for a press conference here on our moon set. You need to get out there in front of the cameras and electrify the public, darling. Get them really up and going for your movies. Once you've got them going crazy, come back here and we'll show off our new prop. That's right. We'll unveil our new movie prop to the masses.
Okay, thank you. Oh, so. Get on there and cancel.
Look on, darling. Looks like it's endorsement time. All you penguins out there know my name, DJ Grooves. And I'm telling you, this young girl here is the next hot thing. Guaranteed. Just look as she'll climb up this statue and rescue the poor puppy that has gotten stuck. Right, darling?
Okay?
Look at that! She held the puppy down safe and sound. Too bad it ran off and definitely been breaking them multiple pieces. This is truly a diva I can get behind. Let it be known that this little girl is all about animals. Make sure you join her fan club, DJ Grooves. Oh.
Wow, we're getting fans of that easy. If you're in front of me, subscribe to the video. If you're not a fan, then dislike the video, I guess.
Oh, darling, looks like it's endorsement time. All you penguins out there know my name, DJ Groove. Look at how street smart this diva is. She's standing in this sinister alleyway right next to some potential wrongdoers. Danger is her middle name, and she's not afraid to step outside of her comfort zone. Make sure you join her fan club, DJ Grooves. Oh.
Wow. What if I don't have any subscribers? Hey, get out. Aliens! I must defeat him! Yay! Yay! Oh. Ouch. You evil villain! Yeah! Oh my. Whoa, that's crazy!
This is going crazy, darling. Come over here and show off our new stunner, our new prop.
Oh, that is Chinese number 6. Oh, what's this? Picture Perfect, directed by DJ Groove. Starting good as little girls with serious parents and their mothers. Holy crap. Reviews are in. Okay. 628 points for me. Okay. Cool. But anyway, guys, that is going to do it for this episode of Hang Time. I hope you all enjoyed. I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.